Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with a local Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Okay, we're back again to talk about the tropics, and the tropics have become a lot more active, but I just wanted to point out a few things. First, we have this system out here that is forecast to develop in the next 5 days. Very high chance of that developing, but it's not going to be a problem for us. Very far away. We have this system here approaching the Caribbean Sea, but this has a 10% chance of developing. Very low chances moving into environment, which is not good for development. And so this really doesn't have a chance at all. Don't worry about that. You're going to see a lot of chatter about this. This is another system that is getting, that has a very low chance of getting organized somewhere in the Southwest Atlantic Ocean, somewhere off the coast of the Carolinas, and down in this direction here. So again, I want to caution everyone, do not worry about what so-and-so's weather page says or anyone else says about stuff like this. Right now, we've got plenty of time to watch this, and this is 5 days away as far as getting into this area. And above all else, this has a very low chance of getting organized, about 20% chance. So again, just be aware of it, but nothing to worry about. The next game in town looks like to be this system. It has a pretty medium chance, about a 50-50 chance right now of getting organized and developing as it moves off the coast of Africa and scoots along in the lower latitudes. But we got plenty of time to watch that. That's well over 3,500 miles away. So again, the bottom line with the tropics, only monitor official National Hurricane Center information. There's a lot of armchair forecasters out there and weather blogs and so forth that offer speculation. The only official source, an accurate source, is from the National Hurricane Center. Now, this is the busier part of the hurricane season, so it's not unusual to see all those disturbances out there. And at this point, there's no worries for Flagler County, but I encourage everyone, it's always a good time to review your hurricane plan, review your supplies and all that stuff. It's always a good idea to do that. All right, quick look at our local weather. Next few mornings, we're going to have predominantly an easterly or an onshore flow. So that's going to promote maybe an isolated shower or storm developing either in the offshore waters along the coast in the mornings, with scattered showers and thunderstorms developing inland west of Flagler County. That activity presses towards the Gulf Coast in the afternoon and evening, but we can't rule out the odd shower or storm blowing in from the ocean at any time during the day or during the nighttime hours. So shower and storm chances are mostly in the mornings across the area, but there will be hit or miss. A bit cooler and breezy in the next few days. You're going to notice that it's still going to be quite warm and not quite as hot as it's been as of late. And just a reminder, though, that any storms that manage to develop will carry the risk of squally winds, dangerous lightning, torrential downpours. Could see some heavy rains, and some of those showers are coming off the ocean from time to time. In the mornings, expect again a risk of a shower or storm blowing in from the ocean, chiefly along the coast in the mornings, or developing between the beach and US 1 in the morning. Then in the afternoons, the thunderstorm activity, which generally pushes off to the west of Bunnell and out of the county, but we cannot rule out a few showers blowing in from the ocean at any time through the rest of the afternoon into the evening or during the overnight hours. Through Saturday, just a bit cooler, risk of a shower storm, best chances along the coast in the morning and then inland in the afternoon. But again, you could get a few showers blowing across the area at any time. They come through in the middle of the night, in the morning, at any time. High temperatures in the 80s, lows in the 70s. Sunday to Monday, scattered showers and storms. It might be a little bit more numerous. And again, they're going to start in the mornings. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 70s. And look like we're going to stay a pretty decent chance of a shower or storm each day. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 70s. Again, though, they will be localized. So some days you'll get them, some days you won't. At the beaches, surf 2 to 3 feet, surf temperature 85 degrees, a moderate rip current risk. UV index is very high. Make sure you get your sunblock going on. So folks, stay informed. Weather's always changing, so go to flaglercounty.org. Hover your mouse over webcams and weather to get the latest from the National Weather Service. You can also sign up for Alert Flagler while you're there. If you have a weather alert radio, check it out. Make sure it is working. It's a great source for weather information and tropical weather information. But folks, again, you want to keep up in the tropics, what's going on out there. The only place you need to go is hurricanes.gov. That is the official source for all tropical cyclone information for our part of the planet. Everyone have a lovely weekend, and we will be back next week.